Alrighty, it is a few minutes after 7:35, so let's get started with our 2021 Spectra Basketball Asia Team All Random Team One Box Break number 6. Just like with all of our random team breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical team list. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Lawrence in the top spot and Jim in the bottom 2 spots. So we will match that up against our team list. Then I will cut and paste everything over to the right and sort it by everybody's names. We'll go through and see who has which teams, and then we will tear into our box and see what we get. Alrighty, so Evan's got the Clippers, the Grizzlies, the Mavericks, and the Rockets. Hector's got the Hawks and the Heat. Jeffrey has the Celtics. Jim has the Cavaliers, the Jazz, the Spurs, the Warriors, and the Wizards. Joel has the Blazers. Keith has the Knicks and the Pelicans. Lawrence has the 76ers, the Nets, the Pistons, the Suns, and the Timberwolves. Lester has the Bulls, the Lakers, the Magic, and the Thunder. Lori has the Bucks. Michael has the Raptors. And Nick has the Hornets, the Kings, the Nuggets, and the Pacers. Give me just a second to get our list copied over to our on-screen list, and we will open our box and see what we've got. All right, there is our team list. Good luck, everybody. There's our pack. And our first card is a Silver Asia Prism Andre Drummond for the Lakers, and that goes to Lester. Congrats on that, Lester. And then next, we have a Ben Simmons Asia Silver Prism for the 76ers, and that goes to Lawrence. Congrats on that, Lawrence. And then next we have a Rudy Gobert Prism for the Jazz, and that goes to Jim. Congrats on that, Jim. And then next we have a LaMarcus Aldridge Red Prism for the Nets, going to Lawrence. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next, we have another red prism of it's a Saben Lee rookie for the Pistons, going to Lawrence. My goodness. It's a 6-card box, and you've got half of it. Very nice. Congratulations on that one. And then lastly is our green prism, Damian Lillard for the Blazers, and that goes to Joel. Congrats on that. I don't think the greens are numbered. No, they're not. I know the reds aren't. Well, alrighty. that concludes our 2021 Spectra Basketball Asia Team All Random Team One Box Break number 6. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us in live stream for the break this evening, and we'll be back in just a couple of minutes with our 21 Mosaic Football 12 Cello Pack Random Team Break number 5. Thanks again, everybody.